look at another drawer inside the master bedroom today.
The second drawer of my dresser holds all of my undergarments, from panties to bras and even tights. At first, everything was just thrown in the drawer, because progress over perfection, but I finally spent 15 minutes today and got everything organized and sorted into a detailed system that works for me. Let's look at the organized system closer in detail from left to right. You'll see the panties are rolled and folded into containers to the far left of the drawer. Behind that, I've got 3 pairs of arm covers that are just rolled over each other. In the middle, I've got my bras folded and stacked on top of each other. Next, you'll see 2 more containers. One contains sports and sleeping bras, the other contains slips and undergarments. And lastly, to the right, you'll see I've got leggings. These are folded over cardboard containers so I can actually see what the pattern is.
If you found today's video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and the jingle bell so you stay up to date on all our tips and tricks. Until next time, stay hopeful.